everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter linear functions, and the lessons we're going to cover are red equations, standard form, compare linear functions, graph tables and equations. Standard form, find x and y, intercept. Let's start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on the chapter linear functions. Let's just start with the first lesson, write equation in standard form. So the equation is y equals minus 4 over 5x plus 9. So basically the standard form of the equation would be you have to write down like this: ax plus by equals c. Like x and y are on the same side and c would be on the other side. Just multiply all the equation with 5, so it will be 5y equals negative 4x plus 45. So just move x and y on the same side, so it would be 4x plus y equals plus 5y equals negative 45. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, y equals negative 4 over 5x minus 9. Negative 4 over 5x minus 9. Let's just multiply the equation with 5, so it would be 5y equals 5 times negative 4 over 5x minus 9 times 5. So 5 and 5 cancel out. You are left with 5y equals negative 4x minus 45. Move negative 4x other side, it will be 4x plus 5y equals negative 45. So the correct option is 4x plus 5y equals negative 45. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is y equals negative 7x plus 3. So which is the correct option? Move negative 7x to the other side, so it would be then 7x plus y equals negative 3. Got it? It would be 7x plus y equals negative 3. Rewrite the following equation in standard form. So which is the correct option? Move negative 10x to other side, so it would be 10x plus y equals 1. You just have to move negative 10x, so it would be 10x plus y equals 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Rewrite the following equation in standard form. So just move negative 8x to the other side, so it would be 8x plus y equals 1. Correct option is 8x plus y equals 1. Rewrite the following equation in standard form. So which is the correct option? Move 7x to the other side, so it would be then 7x minus y equals 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, y equals negative 10x minus 5. So which is the correct option? It would be 10x plus y equals negative 5. The second one is the correct option. Y equals 7 over 3x plus 10. So which is the correct option? Multiply the equation by 3. So it would be 3y equals 7x plus 30. So you have to do 7x minus 3y equals negative 30. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, y equals negative 9x plus 5. So which is the correct option? Move negative 9x to the other side. So it would be then 9x plus y equals 5. The correct option is 9x plus y equals 5. Okay, read the following equation in standard form. So it would be y equals 9 over 8x plus 5. So you have to multiply the equation by 8. It would be 9x minus 8y equals negative 40. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, y equals 5x plus 7. So which is the correct option? It would be 5x minus y equals negative 7. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is compare linear functions, graphs, tables, and equations. So you have to compare the graph and the function. So how do we compare? Just look at the equation and the graph. You have to find the slope for both the equations and function. It would be y equals mx plus b. So the slope of this equation is m equals 2. Let's just find the slope of the graph. Got it? The slope of the graph would be change in x divided by change in y. Got it? Here you have, just select 2 points and calculate the slope. Got it? So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 divided by 1. The slope for function a is 5 divided by 1 and that equals 5. You can see the change in y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between these 2 points, the change in y is 5 and change in x is 1. Got it? So the slope of function a is 5 and slope of function b is 2. That means slope of function a is greater than slope of function b. Got it? The correct option is slope of function a is, because slope of function a is 5 and b is 2. So the correct option is the slope of function a is greater than slope of function b. You can see the solution here. Here you have slope of this function is 5. So slope of function a is greater than slope of function b. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Function a and function b are linear functions. You have to compare both the functions. You are given one of the graph and one of the equations. So let's just calculate the slope from both the equations and graph. So it would be y equals mx plus b. M slope of the graph function is 5. Now let's just calculate slope from the graph here and here. It would be change in y is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. It would be 4 over 1. The slope of this function is 4 over 1. That means it is 4. So which is the correct option? The correct one is slope of function A is less than slope of function B. No, slope of function A is 5 and slope of function B is 4. That means the slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. A option is the correct one. Slope of function A is 5 and B is 4. So slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. Okay, function A and function B are linear function. So let's just see the slope of function A is y equals mx plus b. M is 4. The slope of function A is 4. Now just look at the slope of the function B. Slope of function B is 2 over 1. That means the slope of function B is 2. So which is the correct option? Correct option is slope of function A is greater than slope of function B because the function A has slope 4 and the function B has slope 2. So that means the slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. Option number A is the correct option. Okay, function A and function B are linear function. Let's just calculate the slope of function A and function B. Got it? Function A is an equation, so you have to calculate the slope of the equation. It would be y equals mx plus b. So when you compare the equation, the slope of the function is 2. Now you have to find the slope of the function b. Just select any 2 points on the graph and calculate the slope. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change in y is 5 and change in x is 1. It would be 5 over 1. That means the slope of function b is 5. Now just see slope of function b is 5 and a is 2. So slope of function, which is the correct option? Slope of function a is less than slope of function b. Got it? The correct option is slope of function a is less than slope of function b. Option number B is the correct option. Okay, function A and function B are linear functions. So the slope of this function is m equals 5 and the slope of the graph is 1, 2, 3 over 1. The slope of function A is 3 over 1. That would be 3. Got it? So see, the slope of function A is 3 and B is 5. That means the slope of function A is less than slope of function B. Got it? Because the slope of function A is 3 and function B is 5. So slope of function A is less than slope of function B. Option number B is the correct option. Okay, the next one is function a is 4 y equals 4x minus 4. So it would be y equals mx plus b. So m is 4. Now just look at this function and calculate the slope. It would be 1, 2, 3 over 1. So slope is 3 over 1. That means 3. That means slope of function a is greater than slope of function b. Got it? The correct option is slope of function a is greater than slope of function b. Option number A is the correct option. Function A and function B are linear functions. It would be y equals 4x minus 2. Let's just calculate the slope of the function. It would be y equals mx plus b. So when you compare, m equals 4. So for this function, for this graph, just select the 2 points. It would be 3 over 1. So the slope is 3. So function A has the slopes 3 and B has the slope 4. That means slope of function A is less than slope of function B. Got it? Option B is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next one is standard form find x and y intercepts. So find the x-intercept of the following equation. You have to find you're given with the equation. You have to find the x-intercept of the equation. The x-intercept is the x-coordinate of the point where the graph crosses the x-axis. Basically, intercept is the point where the graph is, where the graph passes through the axis. Like if it is x-intercept, that means that is the point where the graph crosses the x-intercept. So if the line crosses the x-intercept at the point x0, then x is the x-intercept. Got it? So what we have to do for the x-intercept, we have to put y equals 0 in the equation. Got it? You have to put y equals 0 and you have to calculate the value of x. It would be x plus 0 equals 8. That means x equals 8. The x-intercept is 8. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, x minus 6y equals 8. You have to calculate x-intercept. It would be x minus 6y equals 8. You have to calculate the x-intercept, so you need to put y equals 0 in the equation. It would be x minus 6 times 0 equals 8. 6 times 0 is 0. You are left with just x and x equals 8. Got it? That means x equals 8 is the point where the graph passes through the x-axis. Got it? Correct option is x equals 8. Okay, you have to find the y-intercept now. So when you have to find y-intercept, you need to put x equals 0 in the equation. Just replace the x with 0. Got it? Because you have to calculate the y-intercept. 7 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 3y equals 0. It would be minus 3y equals 0. Divide both sides by negative 3. It would be then y equals 0. 0 divided by any number equals 0. That means the graph is passing through the origin. When x is 0, y is 0. 0, 0 is the origin of the graph. That means the graph is passing through the, like here is the graph, this is the point. So like graph is passing like this. Got it? Passing through the origin. Okay, find the x-intercept of the following equation. 2x plus 3y equals 10. 2x plus 3y equals 10. So you need to put, you have to calculate x-intercept. So just put y equals 0. It would be 2x plus 3 times 0 equals 10. 3 times 0 is 0. That means 2x equals 10. Divide both sides by 2, it would be x equals 5. So the correct option is x equals 5. Okay, the next one is 2x minus 5 equals 0. And you need to calculate the y-intercept. Two x minus y equals 5. Okay, you need to calculate y-intercept. That means you have to put x equals 0. It would be 2 times 0 minus y equals 5. 2 times 0 is 0, so y equals negative 5. That means when x equals 0, y equals negative 5. Okay, the next one is x plus 10y equals 5. You have to calculate x-intercept. For x-intercept, you need to put y equals 0. So it would be 10 times 0 equals 5. 10 times 0 is 0. So x equals 5. Got it? Correct option is x equals 5. Okay, the next one is 3x plus y equals 6. You need to put y equals 0 because you have to calculate x-intercept. So it would be 3x plus 0 equals 6. It would be 3x equals 6. Divide both sides by 3. So it would be x equals 2. So the correct option is x equals 2. It would be x equals 2. Okay, find the y-intercept of the following equation. You have to put y-intercept. So x equals 0, it would be negative 5. The correct option is negative 5. Okay, 2x plus 3y equals 6. You have to calculate x-intercept. That means you need to put y equals 0. So it would be 2x equals 6 That means x equal 3. The correct option is 3. 5x plus 8y equals negative 8. You have to put x equals 0. It would be then y equals negative 1. The correct option is negative 1. X plus y equals 0. So which is the correct option? X plus y equals 8. You need to calculate x-intercept. For x-intercept, you need to put y equals 0. So that means the correct option is x equals 8. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 10 maths. Lesson we've covered, we are working on the chapter linear functions. And the lessons we have covered today are write equations in standard form, compare linear functions, graph tables and equations, standard form, find x and y intercepts. So please write down the list. So you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday. So please ask question if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.